And it always starts with like what's best for the customer. And that just translates for partners. And so when they engage with Instructure, they know they're getting a best-in-class, innovative reseller program with MDF and deal reg and meet comp and marketing support and enablement. But on top of that, they're just getting that cultural blood inside of them that says, hey, we really care about student outcomes.
Hi everyone, I'm your host Rachel Espaillat, and you're watching the Partner Pitch series on CRN TV. As solution providers up their game to meet customer demands for the hottest technology, the right vendor partner program is key to their success. I'm here with Jack Jackson, Vice President of Global Channel Sales at Instructure, to talk about the launch of their new partner program. All right, so it's your elevator pitch now. Tell us why solution providers should join your partner program.
Yeah, it's really interesting. We have a program that really covers the gamut of a solution. We have the best in breed, best in class LMS product. A little story that I like to share with partners is during COVID, right? So we have a learning management system. It's for education. We're really focused in on the higher ed space pre-COVID, right? We had a majority of our customers were really kind of sixth grade and up into the higher ed. When COVID hit, it was really a different time for us. It was really a shocking time. All of a sudden, these K through kind of fifth grade educators and parents and students were scrambling. How do I get my child to continue their education online and continue learning and progressing? And really, the interesting and beautiful thing about Instructure and what Canvas did that partners need to understand is we really stepped up to the plate. We worked day in and day out to make sure that we could take our, higher ed, high school higher ed platform and really ease it down so K through 5 could really benefit from using our program. And now today we've taken that, we've progressed, and we've made it, a K through 12 product. So you have students and educators able through COVID to really continue to provide that kind of education. And I really think it speaks to VARs, it speaks to partners, it speaks to solution providers for them to really look at this and say, this company is innovating, they answer the bell, and the most important part of the company's culture is caring about the end user and the customer first. And I think that translates down from the culture of the company, from our CEO down.
How does your program motivate and support partners?
Yeah, that's a great question. I think, first when you look at it, you have to have a company and an organization that really believes in partners. If you look at our CEO, Steve Daly, I say this all the time, and he gets it. I mean, he gets the value. His background has been in the channel at great companies. He's led them to amazing growth. And so from him down, he really understands what motivates partners, how a partner plays a pivotal role in any organization's success. And then you trickle that down to folks like Michelle Suzuki, our CMO. Again, amazing partner background, understands resellers and the value they play. And then you look at our CRO, Frank Maylett, again, huge background in channels, super highly respected, experienced executive who understands how to work with partners and motivate those partners. So with that being said, you all of a sudden now have a deep bench at the leadership level, helping create these innovative reseller programs to motivate them and to continue them selling.
Which distributors is Instructure working with?
Yeah, so we're in conversations with Ingram Micro. We have signed Tech Data as well. We have CompuCenter in Mexico. We have QBS as well in Europe. So there's a number of partners that we continue to work with. professional services, managed service providers, folks with a really deep bench of project management, somebody who's really looking to sell a best-in-class product to students who care about those kind of customer outcomes, but also on top of that can have the capabilities to build above and beyond revenue streams with service, implementation, support, and things like that as well.
How does it compare to others like it in the industry?
It all starts with our Chief Product Officer, Mitch Benson, probably one of the brightest people I've ever had the opportunity to work for. Mitch starts with a vigor and passion for educators and student outcomes like nobody I've ever met. Every conversation you talk to Mitch, you understand exactly where his heart and where his mind is at. And so when you have somebody like Mitch kind of leading that charge, you get a product of just superior quality. I mean, we have 99.9% uptime. That's something that's unheard of and pretty amazing. I think our depth and innovative ability to produce and track student progress and give students an easy way to learn, an innovative way to learn is something second to none in the industry.
We believe that they will be a very strong vendor for us. Number one, they are the clear market leader in the States. They're underrepresented in Europe. I think their market share in the States is well in excess of 30%. In Europe, we believe it's less than 7%. They will be the category owner, and by getting our resellers involved in them now, we believe that we can make sure that their market share goes higher and higher. And also, one of our commitments is what we call is our ESG, and that is helping people have a better quality of education. That's one of our core values and our sustainability goals. So we believe that the product from Instructure in terms of Canvas is the best learning management solution out there at the moment. And by taking this to our European partners, we're actually doing good for society as well.